Here we are, range testing the Neo 2. Might come back down and head towards those trees over there. Yeah, now we can give it some height. Alright, we're at 250 metres out now, 76 high, 80, 100 metres high now, 300 out.
Altitude reached.
Max altitude reached. Alright, 74% battery, 8 minutes 30 left. In normal mode. I think I will be sort of flying with the wind coming back, so anyway, we're about a bit over 500 metres out now, 119 high, approaching 600 metres out. Still got full reception on the remote control, 39 satellites, approaching 650, 7.5 minutes left, 700 metres. This is flying with the RC2 obviously and doing the screen recording on the RC2. 7.5 minutes left. Approaching 800 metres now. Still got full bars on the remote control. Still got 39 satellites. Approaching 900 metres. Over 900 metres. Just lost a bar on the remote control reception, just got it back. 7 minutes left, 63% battery. Signal interference, it's fairly common though. Yeah, it's just gone yellow, back to 4 bars, 3 bars in yellow, over a kilometre out. That's pretty good. The tiny little drone, 6.5 minutes left. Super impressive. It's at 3 minutes, coming up to 4 minutes in the flight. Signal interference again. 6 minutes, 59%. 1.3 kilometres out, nearly.
Battery level is low.
And I'm not going to push
Aircraft
that.
will return to the home point
I'm going to return to home now.
Return to home.
That's not bad, 1.3 out. Just catching the home point, and here we go. We'll head home now. 53%, 5 minutes 20 left, 37 satellites, 20 kilometres an hour. Switching into sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Turns the sensors off, but it'll get me home quicker. 30 kilometres an hour, 32, 33, 34, nearly 35 kilometres an hour. Here we come. Here we come. Just a kilometre out now. And 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes left in flight time. We're 900 metres out. We should make it home. See the highway down there, about to cross the highway. Full bars on the remote control. 37% battery, just under 3 minutes left. Going 32 kilometres an hour, nearly 500 metres out. A good test for the little drone. It's going alright. I might pause it there, put it back into normal mode. Hit remote, return to home.
Return to home.
Down to 2 minutes 47 left. Should be close. Two and a half minutes left. 39 satellites. 26%. We've been flying for about 7 minutes. Approaching 2 minutes battery time left. 24%. 300 metres out, 25 kilometres an hour. Yeah, we'll make it. 250 metres out. 1 minute 53 left. 1 minute 49.8. 20% battery, 40 satellites, 37 satellites. Just a bit over 150 metres out. Still roughly 20 kilometres an hour. Yeah, I can see the house from here. Low battery warning. 1.5 minutes left. Dropping in height now down to 100 metres. 70 metres out. Coming in hot. Pretty impressive little drone. Let's see how we go with the return to home landing, how accurate we are. I can hear it. Here she comes. 30 metres up.
Landing.
Coming in hot. Look at this, accurate as. Right where I took off from.
Low battery warning.
Critically low battery. Well, we did it. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe, hit the like, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again. Bye.